Good afternoon, morning, or evening, or after morning. I'm the Manly Digger, and in this video, I have my ghetto studio set up. So I have the mic, which is hanging from 550 cord, still works. I have my lighting, which is the regular lamp, still works. What this video is about has nothing to do with the studio. I'm just pretty proud of myself. That's all. This video is about throwing knives. I went on eBay and bought more knives. That's pretty much it. Cheaply, very, very cheaply. Inexpensive. I bought a lot of knives, or a lot. Not a bunch, but a lot of used knives, labeled throwing knives. And I explained this. I got these knives. I got 4 of them. And I thought they were going to be junk, and they weren't. They were awesome. They're awesome throwing knives. I don't know what brand they are. I don't know, but I wanted to practice more of a different style. So I was throwing them like this, what I called the dart stance, with my dominant arm and leg forward, and that wasn't working for these guys because not enough power. I kind of knew that. I just wanted to see if it worked. And for the no spin style, I don't know how to do the spin style yet, and I also wanted to learn how to do. I wanted to try a different hand technique for the no spin style that I saw on YouTube. Just wasn't real comfortable with it. I tried it a couple times.
Alright, we're not doing that one.
But I got a couple sticks with it. So I stuck with my method, or my hand method, which is like this and throwing it forward. But I backed up 2 paces, or 2 steps. So 2 steps, which is 3 meters or 3 feet each step, a walking step. So it's 6 total versus the 3 prior. So why I'm actually making this video is to show you the stance, and not just because to throw knives, which it gives me an excuse to throw knives, but the stance. So I was throwing like this with the little knives, which I didn't really need that much power to stick. And with a larger knife, like these, not really a lot, these aren't really larger, but, and a distance. So this is, I don't know, it's two steps, 2 walking steps. So I'd say 6 feet or 6 meters, 2 walking steps. I tried it with the dart throwing method, as I described, and then I tried it with the baseball method, where you point your toes. My toes are pointed, feet a distance apart, and a little more power into it because they'd stick. So I wanted to learn how to stick knives from a longer distance away, and that was my whole intent, which you'll see I did.
Yeah. Let's see. 6 out of 6. This is the 3rd group of 3. As you can see, the handle is coming off of that. Yeah, 6 out of 6. Done for the day. Done. Just done.
And I failed a lot of times while doing it.
Done. Just done. No, I'm not. Legitimately got 3 out of 3, actually 3 out of 6 straight. So 3 and then 3 when the camera's off. But I mean, can't do it now. Nope, camera's on. Fail. Fail. Yay!
Worst sound in the world. Worst sound in the world. Everybody knows you failed. The dead know you failed.
Damn it.
Or the dead know you failed to stick it. And I also unbox the box of knives that I got for cheap and expensive off of eBay. I'm pretty stoked about it. Like it was an auction. I won the auction. Kind of competitive. No one really was competing. So out of the eBay box of knives, it was throwing knives, or it was labeled throwing knives, and really inexpensive. I just put a bid in, and it was, I forgot, it was less than $20. These are the hidden gems. So 4 came in that box. 4 exact, as you can see, these 4 knives came in that box, and they came in sheaths like this, hard sheaths. So like this, with this on it, this button, so it comes out. This, most of them though, there's a pin that holds the button in, and that pin just fell out automatically. No big deal. They're throwing knives. I mean, whatever. I thought these were going to be garbage. Because I wasn't expecting a lot from that eBay purchase. Just a bunch of cool knives. And I thought these, because they look like the scuba knife, or the diving knife, or it was whatever was labeled as a diving knife. I'll show you that one. So like this knife, which I've seen it before as a diving knife, but it's just a multi-purpose knife. It's whatever they can label it and sell it as. Diving knives, for the most part, don't have a point. So this was made into a throwing knife at some point. You can see it was ground down on this side to make it, but I haven't learned how to throw it correctly, and I gotta put more of a point on it. I don't know. Anyway, so they look similar. I thought was the same case, which it was not. Perfect throwing knives, perfect. See, this is heavier. This knife is heavier than these guys. These are really light and balanced. They came with a 550 cord for a handle, which after 2 or 3, 5 throws fell off of all of them. But very easy to throw. A little bit of unboxing and of the eBay purchases, cheap eBay knives. I mean, just cool stuff. They're just cool little knives. I don't know. I like it. I think it's interesting. So this is, I don't even know what it is, but it has Japan on the blade. I'm assuming that's where it was made, and some numbers. So a little bit of research. I mean, it is what it is. It's loose. It's got some loose pieces to it. Maybe I could use it for parts, but like this is a possibly bone handle, and I'm gonna do some research. I do love my historical research, so that's gonna be great. This guy, it has some information on there. It says made in Miami, the U.S. But you can tell it's been ground down to be a throwing knife. It has a kind of a curve right here. So this probably was the back or the spine, and it's a little, yeah, you can definitely feel that. But you can tell it's been thrown a couple of times. Definitely, it's got some use. Like I said, I think I said in the video a couple of times, I stuck this maybe twice, definitely once, possibly twice.
I got this now to stick once. We'll see how this does.
Is this guy super light, kind of homemade maybe? I don't really know. It doesn't have any details on it. Doesn't have any information. Like, it is super light, and I mean, not the top steel, maybe not even the top 3 steel 4, but it's interesting. It just has an interesting feel to it. And you can tell that there's, I don't know. It's what I want to find out. I want to find out more about it. I tried to throw this one multiple times, and it did not stick to anything, in or on anything at all. Just a different weight, a different feel. Mainly the gap. Stick it good. Nailed it.
Yeah, 3 out of 3.
Trying new sayings, especially the microphone. Hanging microphone. 550 cord. I'm so smart. Mainly the gap. I'll stop talking. I'll shut up now.